Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Google Sheets. A network error has occurred. To resolve the "A network error has occurred" message in Google Sheets, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable, and consider switching to a wired connection if Wi-Fi is unreliable. Next, update your browser to the latest version and clear the cache and cookies to remove any corrupted data. If the problem continues, disable extensions like ad blockers or PDF tools, or try using incognito mode to isolate conflicts. Switching to a different browser can also help, as some browsers handle Sheets differently. Logging out of your Google account and signing back in may refresh sessions tokens. Finally, check if the issue is sheet specific, duplicate, download, and re-upload the file if necessary. And if you're signed into multiple Google accounts, log out of all except one to resolve access conflicts. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.